Welcome back to AI Explains It All, where we break down complex topics in just a few minutes. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the human eye. Ever wondered how we see the world around us? Let's find out. The human eye is an incredible organ, and it all starts with the outermost layer, the cornea. The cornea is a clear, dome-shaped surface that helps to focus light as it enters the eye. Next we have the iris, the colored part of the eye. The iris controls the size of the pupil, which is the black circle in the center. The pupil adjusts its size to control the amount of light that enters the eye. Behind the pupil is the lens. The lens works like a camera lens, bending light rays to focus them on the retina at the back of the eye. This process is known as accommodation. The retina is a thin layer of tissue that lines the back of the eye. It contains millions of light-sensitive cells called rods and cones. Rods are responsible for vision in low-light conditions, while cones detect color and detail. When light hits the retina, it's converted into electrical signals. These signals travel through the optic nerve to the brain, where they're interpreted as the images we see. And that's how we see, from the cornea focusing light to the iris controlling light intake, the lens focusing images, and the retina sending signals to the brain. Every part plays a crucial role in our vision. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating explanations. Have a question you want us to explain? Drop it in the comments below. See you next time on AI Explains It All.